And my friends, I don't remember who asked me on WhatsApp that last week she wanted very long wigs and ombré lace front wigs, the color 1B and 30. So I'm posting these 2 weeks just in case you see our video, because I can't remember who asked me last week they you want these two type of wigs. This is a 36-inch, this one, this long, because 2 days ago one customer just ordered and we make the wigs for them. And this one we in stock, this one in stock, and this one we make it very fast. In 2 days we can ship the wigs out for you. This one 36. I'm going to show you how long the hair it will be after I wear this one. This, so you can see these are 36 inch and this one. It's very full, the volume, it has a lot of volume hair because we use 4 bundles of hair. Once the hair is very long, we need to use more bundles. So we use 4 bundles of hair to make it very volume for these wigs. So you can see this one. So this one we make it with 4x4 closure, the 4x4 closure. This one, closure wigs, this volume, and this one, the deep wave, is very hot selling now. The deep wave, because a lot of ladies they keep asking us to make this type of lace front wigs for them, especially the color and the texture. Deep wave, and this also there's a lot of hair at the bottom, as you can see, and it's very healthy. At the bottom you see it's not that dry, it's still very smooth, very smooth, and it's shining, this one. And this one we make it with 13 by 6 frontal. So you can have very deep parting. This one, this one, I'm going to show you after I wear the wig. This one, this one. I'm a little bit tall, so you can see how where the hair it is now. I have a back. This one. This volume of hair is very good, the density is very good, as you can see. And the texture, the deep wave, I like this texture very much. I remember it's color 1B30. The color is ombre 1B30. So, I hope the lady can see the video. Let me put it back and show you the middle part, as you can see this. So it's 6-inch deep parting. You see, all the way from starting from the hairline in the front, and you can go very deep. At the back. As you can see, it's very long parting. You can do long parting. It's much better this one. And I'm going to show you this. The texture is very healthy. It's color 30. The texture is very healthy, as you can see. It's very healthy texture. This one. It's very smooth and very easy to maintain. And very natural. This one. So I hope the lady who asked me last week, hopefully she can see this video, because we are going to show ladies that now we have this wigs in stock, but we're selling very fast. This one. You can order on our website. This. This hair is very healthy, very smooth, no smell and no smell. Very healthy. This one. And as you can see, I want you guys to pay a little bit more attention to this. The texture, the curve, the wave of the hair starting from the root, you see, is very natural. The wave starting from the root is very natural. It has its wave. It's not complete flat. From the starting, it's not complete flat. It has wavy pattern at the root. See? It's very natural. This one is very natural. It's not flat, but it has wave. It's more natural like this one. This. And also I want to remind some ladies, because we see some people that will comment on our YouTube channel that they cannot contact us on our WhatsApp or iMessage, because sometimes some ladies don't know how to add our WhatsApp, or they don't know how to add the correct number. So let me show you now. The Instagram Beauty Fashion Talk. You just check our Instagram Beauty Fashion Talk. You can directly send messages to us there, then we will get you. You send your number there, then we will get you and we will add you. Let us add you is much more convenient and better in case you don't know how to add our number in the correct way. And this is our iMessage WhatsApp number. You see plus, do you see this plus? A6 plus means when you put the number on the phone, when you put the number on your cell phone, you just type 00A6, or you can just put the plus A6 159 158 97097 plus A6 159 158 97097. Just put the number. Remember, you need to put this plus or just change to 00. It means 00. I hope you can understand what I'm talking about. Or you can add our WeChat. This one, WeChat, MMIGS85, MMIGS85, WeChat. Because some foreigners, they are in China. Normally we use this chatting app to chat in China. It's the most popular app in China to communicate with friends. Some foreigners, they use this WeChat. If you are abroad in other countries, you would just use iMessage or WhatsApp. Remember. So this is how you can contact us. So don't say any comments that you cannot contact us, because we keep showing you how to contact us. Just this one. So remember, this one you can order on our website now. This one, it's very popular, very hot selling now. This one. Okay, I will see you in the next video.